Let's answer a question from the comment section.
Here we go with Doc Bennett, episode 73.
My answer is no. I don't recommend it. For hair loss, we're aiming for a specific dose. Kapag hinati-hati mo ang 5 mg tablet sa 4, hindi mo masisigurado na pantay-pantay ang dose sa bawat piraso. Minsan mas malaki, minsan mas maliit. And when we're treating androgenetic alopecia, consistency matters. Because finasteride works by helping lower DHT, the hormone that contributes to the gradual miniaturization of hair follicles in hereditary hair loss. The goal isn't just to take finasteride. The goal is to take the right dose consistently. Another thing patients don't realize is that 5 mg tablets were originally formulated for prostate conditions, not specifically for hair loss. So before trying tipid hacks you see online, talk to your doctor first. Once again, this is Dr. Bennett, your go-to hair restoration specialist. If you have more hair questions, comment below and we'll answer it properly, based on science and not trends.